Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to add Roblox to your Steam. Follow these easy and step-by-step guide to add your Roblox player to your Steam. First of all, make sure you have installed the Steam on your computer and also you have installed the Roblox player on your computer. Now open Steam and click on Add a Game. And click on Add a non-Steam game. And now click on the search list box and type here Roblox, and here you will get Roblox player. Now select the Roblox player and click on Add selected programs. Now go to your library section. And now here you should see Roblox player. Just click on it and now you can start play Roblox from your Steam. This is how we can easily add our Roblox to Steam. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.